Hello. In this video, we will now learn how to set up an organization. So this is the first step we should do after an account is created. So we have to just log into the SaralFlow account. We have to click on the edit button of the organization tab. Here we will start entering the details like what is the organization contact number, what is the organization address. The address has attributes like address line 1, address line 2, then the city, pin code, state. So we can enter all the details for a registered organization. State and the country are a drop down. So as per the country chosen, the state's names will be shown. Then we have to enter the tax details like the tax identifier number, the website. All these fields are optional fields. So in case if someone don't want to update it, it is fine. However, it's recommended like these details are updated so that all the features of the platform can be used. Then we have to start adding departments, like what are the different departments available within the organization. So here, for example, if we have a software development department or an IT department, the same can be mentioned. In order to do updation or deletion of the department, it can be done under the actions menu. So this is how the departments can be added or updated. Then we can start adding designations for the different staff or team members of the organization, so that these designations can be allocated when the different users are onboarded in the organization. So for example, we have added a software developer designation and then we clicked on save. Again, the designations can be edited or deleted under the actions menu. Now if we go and click on edit, then the designation can be updated. Then the designation can also be deleted if in case we want to delete the designation. Then location details can be added, like these are the different locations of the organization. So for example, one could be the headquarter office, one could be the registration or the product development office. So here we are entering one location, like for example the India office. The offices could be in, or the locations could be in different countries as well. It's fine to have a multi-country location. So we added the location as the India office. Now if in case we want to edit the location, we can edit it from here. And if you want to delete the location, we can delete the location as well. So this is how the organization, department designation and location details can be updated. I hope the tutorial helped you to understand how to set up your organization. Thank you.